Hey techs, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use split view on your own Mac. Let's say there are two windows. If you want to use this feature, hold down the green full screen bar and then you're going to find these full view options. Either if you want to do full screen, title window to the left or right of the screen. Let's say you click the right of the screen. Then one's going to be full screen and one's going to be not. Want to make it full screen? Go to the first window that you have on the left or right and press it once and voila, you got your screens. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one.